What started as a simple ear cleaning turned into a hospital visit I wasn't ready for. Hmm, ignorant me. I'm this kind of person that actually likes cleaning. You know what it means? Okay, let me use, for lack of a better word, I'll say I love clearing my ear. Like when I want to clean, I clean, and I can only stop when my cotton bud enters into my ear and comes out very clean. That is when I can literally stop cleaning. I can ascertain the fact that, oh, my ear is now clean. But I never knew I was causing harm to myself. More harm than good. Yes, more harm than good. So it all started some years back. Like I said, I love cleaning my ear so very, very clean until the cotton bud comes out very clean. I will now say, oh, my ear, it's now clean, right? Not knowing I was literally doing more harm to myself than good. So I noticed that all of a sudden, whenever I sleep and wake up, I was feeling this heaviness my ear. Like my ear could actually feel so heavy, and after some time it now led to blockage. My ear completely blocked. Yes, people that knew me, like that were in my inner circle, actually knew that at some point I could not hear. Whenever you're talking to me, I try to read your lips. Yes, I do try to read your lips. It happened to me. So I didn't take it serious. I just felt like, oh, probably it was because I was sleeping too much on one side of my ear. So that was why it was kind of feeling heavy. And do you know, at some point, I could literally hear my heart beating. Why? Because my ear has literally been blocked. My ear has literally been blocked. Anyway, Sha, before we continue, disclaimer: this video is not like to tell you the best thing to do. Just visit your doctor if you're having any ear blockage or pain, or if you have symptoms that I experienced during my own turn. So it happened for a while. I didn't take it serious. So at some point, I became so sick. Yeah, I became so sick. So I decided, and it was not, the sickness had nothing to do with the ear. So I just felt like, oh, since I was sick, let me just treat everything at once. So when I had to treat the sickness, and I had to go and see an ENT doctor. Yes, ENT doctor, meaning ear, nose, throat doctor. Yes. So I went to see an ENT doctor, and when he saw me, I explained all the experiences I've been having. Yes. So he now told me that I would have to come back the following week. What was the instruction he gave me? That I would have to put olive oil, yeah, olive oil into my ear morning, afternoon, night, and come back the following week so that my ear will be washed. I couldn't go back the following week. I had to go back after 2 weeks. But pending that 2 weeks, I was still putting the olive oil into my ears, morning, afternoon, and night. So the second week, when I went to see the doctor, not the doctor that actually told me, not the first doctor I met, but another doctor. He was like, when he was like, okay, so when he now read what the other doctor had like typed down in the system, was like, he made a statement, said, when I tell you guys not to clean your ear with cotton bud, you guys will not listen. Now, are you seeing the results? I like, I didn't know. I didn't know. But ignorance, it's not how do they say, how do they even say it? Like they will say ignorance is not an excuse. Yes, ignorance is not an excuse.
Can I package it for you? Take away.
Are you serious? So, this is to encourage you that you should see your doctor. Don't be like me that had to wait for so long before I had to go see my doctor. Don't be like me. So, have you ever had this scary experience? Comment below. What was the experience like? And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And thank you for watching to the end. See you in my next video. Bye.